Well, good afternoon and welcome to Loftus, this invitation spectacular, the Naas Botha Invitation Challenge, his last game of rugby. Can you believe it? And there is the great man. And let's have a look at the two teams. First of all, the HA Swanepoel Northern Transvaal 15. John.
9 springbokke wat vandag in aksie is. Bekende Dani Gerber vandag op regtervleuel, ook 'n groot trekpleister, en dan Cartwright wat 'n Naas Botha 'n baie goeie diensboord te besorg. Kyk ons na die voorspelers, 5 springbokke daar in die pak. Die 5 vaste voorspelers: Frans Erasmus, Uli Schmid, Loot Miller, Adri Geldhuis en Driekus Hatting, almal springbokke. Andrei Kloete van die Vrystaat, ook 'n baie bekende speler.
And here's the Air Namibia World 15, Gavin Hastings, man who's just led the British Lions to New Zealand. Gerrit Mans playing on the wing. Lots of speed in that back line. Brendan Mullen, well, he's playing club rugby in Ireland now, but does hold the Irish record for test tries. Speed, lots of speed there, lots of experience. Good half-backs, Greg Chalmers, Robert Jones, and some interesting names in the forwards. The big Italian second row, Carlo Cecchinato, and of course Gary Wetton alongside him, a man who's got a new lease of life playing club rugby in France. And there is the great man, Naas Botha.
Naas Botha, 274 wedstryde oor 'n tydperk van 17 jaar, 28 toetse waarvan 9 as kaptein.
And Greg Chalmers starts it. And I imagine we're going to see an awful lot of running in this game. Well, Naas Botha starts with something he's done so many times, an angled touch kick that gains about 30 meters for his side, using his left foot beautifully. Serafino Denga, the man with the curly hair at the front. There's big Driekus Hatting. And certainly Naas has picked a grisly front five for his side. Philip Matthews takes cleanly. Jones. That's a poor kick from Chalmers. And the referee, Steve Stradham, one of the best referees produced by this country, looking slightly out of condition, John.
Gewis so, maar ook vir hom 'n groot oomblik vandag om dan in die laaste wedstryd van Naas Botha dan op te tree. Maar daar sien ons 'n man wat 312 punte in toetsrugby aangeteken het. 3720 punte in eerste rangse rugby. Hy het 179 wedstryde vir Noord-Transvaal gespeel en hy was 128 keer kaptein.
And the crowd cheers as Naas elected to go for goal. Of course, they're not going to be seeing this sight for too long. Strikes it beautifully. And he's got it.
Skara op Loftus Versveld wat juig. En is die Noord-Transvaal se uitnodigingsspan wat voorloop met 3 punte teenoor 0. En kom ons hou hierdie skop dop. Hierdie gesigslos mis op die Suid-Afrikaanse rugbyvelde. Kyk hoe netjies het sy kop afgehou, perfekte deurswaai, 3 punte.
Hatting takes. Cartwright, Naas Botha picks it up. Nice interplay between the halfbacks. Dani Gerber. Inside to JJ van der Valk, knocks his own man out of the way. Uli Schmid. And it seems the players are having a little bit of difficulty holding the type of ball they're using.
Wait for it. Wait for it. One.
And the northern side penalised.
Number 3 is going down.
The hooker is Andrew Lamerton of Wales. Guido Rossi of Italy and Serafina Dengra, the props.
Iets oor Gavin Hastings wat nou na die paal skop. Hy's 'n man wat spog met 477 toetspunte en hy het reeds in 52 toetse gespeel. 'n Man wat spog met baie ervaring.
And by all accounts, he did a tremendous job captaining the British Lions side in New Zealand. A difficult tour, they lost the series, but everybody spoke well of him as a captain. And that hasn't always been the case for returning Lions skippers. Strikes it beautifully.
Vir ons baie duidelik waarom hy as een van die beste skoppers in wêreldrugby beskou word, Gavin Hastings. En dit dan die telling en wat die tyd betref, daar's 5 minute verstreek in die eerste helfte.
And the Northern's players in front of Nas as he kicked. And back for the scrum. Two huge packs of forwards. And the world 8 looking in trouble right from the start.
Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down.
And Steve Stratham, of course, no longer refereeing top class, and a nice touch that he's been brought back to referee this game.
Let's make it tidy.
Jones to feed. Chalmers. Julian Gardner. A man who's a dual international, played for Australia and now Italy. Brendan Mullen. Short pass, puts Gibbs through the gap. Lovely running for the world side. And the wingers away. Kutita, a wonderful try for the world side. That's a magnificent try for the world side.
Nou ja, die skare het gekom om feesrugby te sien. Dis presies wat hulle hier gesien het. 'n Vinnige aagie daar na die linkervleuel en hierdie man van Italië wat voorheen vir Natal Kruiwenbeek rugby gespeel het, 'n baie maklike drie.
It really was a lovely pass by Mullen, putting Gibbs into the gap. Desperate effort from Garth Wright. And that's a top-class try.
Hierdie skare wat gekom het om feesrugby te sien en hierdie drie wat gewis geniet is deur die skare op Loftus Versveld. So van die skare gepraat, hier's 'n skare van ongeveer 6 na 7000 mense. En u sal hierdie skop perfek kan beoordeel van Gavin Hastings, die heel agter van die Britse Leeu's en Skotland.
And just pulled it to the left. So 8 points to 3, the world side lead. And one hopes there'll be enough needle in this game to make it a contest. Sometimes these games turned into almost a touch rugby type affair, which is not very pleasing.
Naaspoort het verlede week gesê dat hulle bitter graag hierdie wedstryd wil wen en hierdie wedstryd wat ook uitstalvenster vir Suid-Afrikaanse rugby is.
John Plumtree, a rehearsed move, an interesting dropout from Nas. Got a scrum to the world side. Oh, lovely kick from Gavin Hastings. Bounced that beautifully into touch and gained about 25 metres. It really is a migraine headache of a sight there, isn't it? The jerseys have got so many colours and squares. It certainly would be nice souvenirs for the players. Abi Geldenays. Dorte using his left foot. Gerrit Mans. And he has a go. Taken by Helcott Muller. Gibbs. Quick throw, JJ van der Vault. Enormous left-footed kick from JJ van der Vault. That really was a huge kick, and even the great Naaspoort applauded that.
JJ van der Vault wat vanjaar 'n paar wedstryde vir Noord-Transvaal gespeel het en nog vir hom ook legende Uli Schmidt.
Hold it.
John so van legendes gepraat, daar's vandag 'n paar in aksie in die Noord-Transvaal span. Ons dink aan Dani Gerber, Naaspoort, Uli Schmidt.
I don't know if you saw it on the screen, but Audrey Geldenace and Serafino Dengra just had a little eyeball confrontation there, and that might indicate that there is a bit of needle out there.
Weer geleentheid vir Gavin Hastings om 3 punte op die tellbord te plaas. Terloops, dit is Gavin Hastings eerste besoek in Suid-Afrika en ons het nou die dag in die koerante opgemerk dat hy dit beskou as een van die hoogtepunte van sy rugbyloopbaan.
That's certainly not a bad crowd here, maybe 15,000 in this huge stadium, enjoying this festival game. Oh, looks like a beauty. Lovely kick from Hastings. And the world side move further ahead, 11-3.
Telling miskien 'n getroue weergawe van die spel. Die wêreld 15-tal wat die enigste 3 van die kragmeting gedruk het. Kom ons kyk wat Noord-Transvaal en Naasbotha nou kan uitrig.
Matthews takes, gets bowled over. Away comes Lamerton. Chalmers, nice dummy to Hatting. Gibbs. Jones swallowed up. Butter. Elkhart Muller. Runs straight into Brendan Mullen. Good tackle by the Irishman.
First knock on.
Wedstryd baie tiperend van 'n feeswedstryd, baie foute.
First knock on.
Maar nou ja, die skare het gekom om feesrugby te sien.
Put it in.
Gardner. Oh, and Nas ran a mile offside. But allowed away with it though, Mullen. Held by Van der Vault. Ingra. Hastings to Gerrit Mans. Held by Oli Schmidt. Lamerton posts it. Hastings on the gallop. Straight through. Gary Wetton just couldn't hold that pass.
Oli Schmidt in beeld, sy pa het in 1958 sy debuut vir die Springbokspan gemaak. Maar dit is baie interessant hierdie fees 15-tal, die wêreld 15-tal, hulle agterspelers wat aggressief en sterk hardloop en reguit hardloop, dis die geheim. Oli wat daar vir so 'n bietjie drama sorg.
He only holds his hands up, but he had a flail at that ball, didn't he? It wasn't so much dirty play as well, just careless play. Serafino Dengra, the man who played against South Africa way back in 1984 for a visiting South American side.
Ja, John, hier in die diskant het ons Verrassie wat skram teen Frans Erasmus. Dit lyk vir my of Frans Erasmus so 'n bietjie hierdie oorhand het in die skrams.
Northern's moving it. F.A. Mary's kick is blocked by Mullen. Bursts through the tackle.
Een mens kan sien dat die spanne sukkel met samespel. Dit gaan 'n probleem vandag wees.
Brendan Mullen, who's made a couple of forceful runs and made some good tackles. Looks like he's taken a wee knock.
Die Noord-Transvaal se uitnodigings 15-tal wat oor 'n baie goeie agterlyn beskik. Manne soos Elkhart Muller, Dani Gerber en Gerbrand Grobler, bekend as aanvallende spelers. Kom ons kyk weer na hierdie beweging waar Scott Hastings so netjies deurgekom het. Swakkerige verdediging aan die kant van die Noord-Transvaal se 15-tal. Dan net Oli Schmidt wat keer dat daar 'n 3 kom.
Lovely run by Gavin Hastings. Jones. Gardner. John Jeffrey. Gardner again. This is good driving by the world forwards. Now they'll spin it. Gibb held by Meyering. Gerbrand Frobler. Tita, Hastings, Jeffrey, Rossi, driven backwards by Schmidt, and here goes Lamerton. Tremendous driving by the world forwards. Well, I think that's got rid of any idea that they might be just here for a holiday.
Goeie ondersteunende spel en goeie dryfwerk. Dit was die kenmerk van daardie beweging. En dis die skare wat dit baie geniet het. Daar's die man in beeld, Hendrik Ignatius Botha. Maar kom ons kyk weer na hierdie beweging. Die White Shark, John Jeffrey wat daar deurgebars het. Dan goeie verdediging aan die kant van die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal. En net harddenkers verdediging wat die manne hier van die doellyn af weggehou het. Jeffrey wat die bal daar jag en dan naast Botha wat op die bal val en hy verhoed dat daar 'n 3 aangeteken word.
And remember, we'll have a competition at half-time. 2 return air tickets from Joburg or Cape Town to Windhoek on Air Namibia. Also includes a 7-day Trans-Namib tour through Namibia, which features the Etosha Game Reserve, Walfish Bay, Swakopmund and Tsumeb. So fabulous prizes. That'll be a phone-in competition. And we'll ask you a question in the second half. Gary Wetton. Wally Schmidt wasn't keen to go down on that.
Coming out.
Back on the world side.
Coming out.
Gibbs can't hold it. Meyering. Van der Vaart. Kebran Grobler. Crowd on its feet. And a rather disappointing kick. But Gerbrand Grobler, certainly one of the more popular players to play here. They loved him at Loftus and making a welcome return.
Altyd 'n man om mee rekening te hou. Die fout wat begaan is in die agterlyn wat dan uitgebuit word deur die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal en Grobler wat nou aansluiting aan die binnekant soek. Hy sien daar is nie aansluiting nie. En met 'n bietjie geluk kon hy die bal binnespel gehou het.
Wetton gets a hand to it. Second time, Gibbs hasn't been able to hold the ball. Mullen loses in the tackle. And Hastings clears. And really tremendous tackling by the Northern Transvaal side going forward, putting the world side under a lot of pressure. 2 massive packs of forwards. Big, heavy men. Oh, clear lifting there. Cloutier allowed away with it.
Wêreld 15-tal wat baie goed vaar in die lyn staan, hè. Ons merk op dat hulle by 1 of 2 geleenthede reeds op Ilo Schmidt se ingooie die balle gewen het.
Oh, lovely clearance by Jones. One of the tidiest scrum halves around. Been on 2 Lions tours. Wonderful passer of the ball, a general behind the scrum. And has added running to his repertoire of late. Audrey Geldenays. Well, he's been in trouble with referees in the past, hasn't he? What a shame. But a wonderfully talented player. Up against Carlo Kekinato. Jeffrey does the tidying. And Kekinato really used his body there, didn't he? Up and under for Jones. Garth right under it. Takes it but loses it. Well, scrum in trouble again. Lovely reverse pass from Jones. Gibbs. Tremendous footwork from Scott Gibbs, straight through. Brilliant running. Support from Gengra. Lamerton, he's been prominent. Gardner. They need it quickly. And Scott Gibbs showing why he's perhaps the hottest property in midfield rugby in the world. All the rugby league clubs are after him. He had a wonderful tour in New Zealand and in fact replaced the great Will Carling in the test side. And that's why.
Maar is baie duidelik. Kyk net na die manier hoe hulle reguit hardloop. Chalmers wat die bal nou in die hande kry en hou net hierdie senterdop. Hy hardloop reguit. Hy doen alles op volle vaart. En dit het die skare hier geniet. Gibbs in die middelveld deur swakkerige verdediging aan die kant van die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal. Maar kyk na sy netjiese aftrap en dan die ondersteunende spel.
And Hastings has pushed this one. And has been a rather streaky kicker at times. Kicked 6 penalties on his debut for Scotland, but has had some dreadful off days as well, having mixed success today. 20 minutes to go in this first half, 11-3, the Air Namibia world side lead. Hatting. Long pass from right. Botha in the centre, drills it for the corner. Hasn't found touch though, and plenty of time for Hastings to clear.
So van Gavin Hastings gepraat, sy broer Scott Hastings, ook 'n Britse leeu en 'n bekende rugbyfamilie in Skotland. Kom ons kyk of die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal nou die bal kan bemeester op hulle eie ingooi. Frans Erasmus, Modrawe eienaar van Dispatch.
Loop!
Nog 'n bal wat verloor is.
And a long clearance after a rather scrappy liner. Dani Gerber, well, in every game he wants to score a try. And the longer it goes without him receiving any ball, the more you'll see him get agitated, get irritated. When he scores that try, it's almost like a fix for a drug addict. And that's the way he's always been.
So van Drieë gepraat, 19 toetsdrieë wat Dani Gerber gedruk het, 'n Suid-Afrikaanse rekord. Dit lyk beter.
Hatting. Botha maybe think, no, in fact, he's giving the left-footed Gerbrand Grobler the chance to find a long touch. Again, we saw that happen many times with Northerns. Clean take by Hatting. Philip Matthews offside. That's a lovely kick by Gerbrand Grobler.
Gerbrand Grobler, een van die manne wat die bal die verste kan skop in Suid-Afrika. Ook 'n bekende cricketspeler.
Flutie to right. Botha, long pass. Poor Hastings. F.A. Meyering. Low centre of gravity. Very difficult man to stop. But Matthews, Ireland's captain at the last World Cup. Botha, will he think of the drop? He stabs the kick through. Just too far for Uli Schmidt. And I just thought for one moment Naas might think of a drop, and there would be the biggest roar in Loftus if Naas Botha crowns his final game with a drop goal.
Wat 'n legende en so byna daai hoekskoppie van hom gewerk.
Quick throw back to Chalmers, and he finds touch.
Naas Botha se opponent vandag kry Chalmers, speel vir Skotland. Ook 'n Britse leeu. Britse leeu 1988 geword met die toer na Australië.
Good short line out for the northern side. Botha to Hatting, runs straight at John Jeffrey. Frans Erasmus, here goes Gerber, bang, straight into Lamerton. And just look at him. Donnie Gerber doesn't know the meaning of a friendly game. He really doesn't.
So beroering wat hier onder die skare gekom het toe Dani Gerber aan die bal gevat het. Die doring van Dispatch. Voorheen vir die OP gespeel. Dani Gerber ook 35 jaar oud.
Poor ball for Jones. Uli Schmidt robs him. Oh, support from Frans Erasmus. And it's a try. The try has been given. And that's young Rudolf Fourie, the Tuckies flanker. Promising youngster, included in Nasser's side, his HA Swanepoel side. And what a lovely moment for the youngster.
Gewis so Uli Schmidt wat 'n fout uitbuit. Uli Schmidt op pad doellyn toe. En hy het goed daar gedoen om te draai, die bal beskikbaar te stel. En Fourie wat dan in die bal in hardloop, onstuitbare 3 vir Noord-Transvaal. En wat 'n oomblik vir hom.
And Nasport pushes that one. Doesn't miss by much. And 11 points to 8.
Fifteen minute wat oorbly in die eerste helfte. The White Shark, John Jeffrey.
And here we are, this try. Uli Schmidt, a typical run. Knocks Kuchita out of the way, support from Frans Erasmus. The ball doesn't go forward, and that's good backing up by young Rudolf Fourie. And rewarded with a try. Hutting can't hold it. Donnie Gerber, chip and chase. Jones bravely down and up, that's wonderful play. Referee plays advantage. Dengra playing the scrum half role. Kuchita. JJ Van der Valk can't hold it. Gerrit Mans cuts inside. It seems to me the players are having difficulty holding this type of ball. It's a leather ball. It's not the white plastic ball they're used to of late. We've seen a number of handling errors. This ball, Mullen, poor pass. Mullen again can't hold it. This could prove expensive. And Gerrit Mans makes the covering save.
Dani Gerber baie betrokke by die spel nou. Ons het ook gesien dat hy daar van die regterveld tussen die agterspelers kom staan het. Hy en Uli Schmidt, 2 groot helde saam in daas boot op te verskat. Stelling met 13 minute wat oorbly in die eerste helfte. Die wêreld 15-tal 11, Noord-Transvaal uitnodigings 15-tal 8.
Gardner at the tail. Rossi. Good tackle by Kluter. Northerns have it. Oh, referee penalised for use of the hands. Or use of the feet maybe. Pointed at Adrie Geldenhuys. Over robust play.
Kom ons kyk wat daar gebeur het. Andre Kluter wat die verdediging uitvoer. Kyk hoe word hier nou in die diskant getrap. Ek dink dit is die rede waarom die strafskop toegeken word. Presies wat daar gebeur. En meneer Steve Strijd om heeltemal korrek.
Another shortened line out, this time from the world side. To a tap. Dengra, bang. Drops the ball again.
First knock on. First knock on every day. Every day. There's a knock on.
Ons moet onthou dat die spanne van die wêreld 15-tal of die spelers van die wêreld 15-tal staan nou op die voorrand van hulle seisoen, so hulle kan nie baie fiks wees nie. En ek dink in die tweede helfte kan fiksheid miskien 'n probleem wees. Goeie verdediging deur Adrie Geldenhuys, die bal wat vorentoe spat, daar was geen voordeel vir die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal nie.
Garthright, lovely little chip from him. That's a wonderful kick. Beautiful body position. Kicked the ball on its end and it rolled into touch. Lovely kick.
Heinze Garthright wat sy debuut vir Suid-Afrika op Hofdesversveld gemaak het in 1986 teen die Cavaliers en in die wedstryd sy skakelmaat wie anders as Hendrik Ignatius Botha. Maar is opmerkelijk, John, dat in die lijnstaande sukkel Noord-Transvaal om die ballen te wen op die ingooi van die wêreld 15-tal.
Jones runs into Cloutey. Oh, didn't he wrestle it well? Wetton starts the rolling ball. Gardner behind him. This is good control. Fourth from Kekanato. Chip from Jones. Right covers. Helkat Muller. It's there. Brand Krobler goes for the corner. But he's kicked it too far.
Die man het groot plan om vanjaar vir Noord-Transvaal op die cricketveld te speel. Weet nie wat sy planne van aanstaande jaar is nie.
One imagines the world side, many of them will be affected by the altitude. It's a warm day in Pretoria, not used to games played at this altitude. And maybe in the second half, well, they'll run a little bit out of puff. Over Jeffrey's head. Helgat Muller again can't hold it. Gardner.
Maar is baie duidelik, die balbeheer van die wêreld 15-tal is beter, veral onder die voorspelers. En 'n mens kry die idee dat die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal dinge te vinnig wil doen.
Lovely scrum from the world side. Spun it though. And they'll scrum again. And look at Gavin Hastings on the left. He's hovering on the short side, talking to Gerrit Mans, the winger. Maybe we'll see some magic on this side. They're trying something. Work though. Kevin Krobler, chip and chase, and recovers. Hastings to Gerrit Mans, long ball to Gibbs, over his head. Kutita, again chip and chase. Lovely play by Helgat Muller. Holding the ball on the ground though. Muller rightly penalised. Made his debut against the Cavaliers, came on as a late substitute. And the older brother of Peter Muller, who's currently in the national side.
Ja, so van Helgat Muller, gepraat 'n man wat 149 wedstryde vir die Vrystaat gespeel het, veelsidig gespeler, vir die Vrystaat op loskakel, senter en vleuel gespeel en ook nie 'n slegte heel agter. Kyk net daai aangee van Robert Jones netjies van die grond af op in die hande van sy kaptein. Nou som hy sy opsies op. Wil graag hierso afstand wen en net dat die bal uitrol, dit het nie gebeur nie. En daar's 'n strafskop toegeken aan die wêreld 15-tal en 'n bal wat gestel word so 5 meter binne die halfgebied van die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal en kyk net hoe gesels naas met sy manne.
You can see Naas getting quite upset. He knows this side is not playing to potential. And he's having a right go behind the post, isn't he? He doesn't want to go out in a losing side.
Gewis nie so nie, nog altyd 'n goeie kompeteerder en hy sal graag sy laaste wedstryd as 'n wenwedstryd wil onthou. It's a long and a skuinskop for Gavin Hastings.
He struck it, he got under it, has he got the distance? No. Butter running out of defence. Helgat Muller. Dani Gerber, ooh, and takes a heavy knock, Dani Gerber. Gerbrand Krobler runs into trouble. And that's tremendous wrestling by Lamerton.
Offside.
Another offside decision against the Northerns team. And this Andrew Lamerton on the left, getting a pat from Gardner. Tremendous loose play by the hooker.
Nog 'n kommerwekkende aspek van die spel vandag is die baie strafskoppe wat afgestaan word deur die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal. Dis 'n kenmerk van Suid-Afrikaanse rugby op die oomblik, heeltemal aan die verkeerde kant daar so Andrei Kloete. Hy het stryd om wat dit gesien het en 'n strafskop aan die wêreld 15-tal. Hierdie skop 'n maklike skop vir Gavin Hastings. Kom ons kyk of hy nog 3 punte vir die wêreld 5-tal op die tellbord kan plaas.
And that's a better one from Hastings. And it puts his side 14-8 ahead with 6 minutes to go to half-time.
Vriendelike kerel, Gavin Hastings.
Hanging drop from Botha. Won by Drickus Hatting. Back to Garthright. Lovely take by Helgard Muller. F.A. Meyering steps inside one tackle. Back to Botha. Nice dummy from Naas Botha. JJ van der Vault. Support from Gerbrand Krobler. Frans Erasmus. Bullocking run of all of 3 meters. They're offside. Referees played on. It's Dengra kicking ahead. And again. Helgard Muller. Back to Dani Gerber. Will he run? Nowhere to go. And finds touch. Tremendous defence from Dani Gerber. And a nice little pat from John Jeffrey. That's been the most dangerous looking attack we've had from the northern side. Started by that switch from Naas Botha. Run out of defence.
Nee, daai laaste belangrike aangee wat verlore gegaan het.
Hatting. Chip from Helgard Muller. Gerard Mans. Dani Gerber, bit of room to move. Comes in, bang! There's no offside. Footy is not offside. Hastings, he's running for the back. He's got support. But Chalmers and Helgard Muller will run back again. Gerbrand Krobler, lovely footwork from him. Naas Botha. JJ van der Vault takes the tackle from Gerrit Mans. Willie Smith takes it quickly. Support from Adrie Geldenhuys. Drickus Hatting. Ball's been spilled. Gibbs. Oh, and he does look a dangerous player, doesn't he? Mullins, Lamerton again. Here goes Kutita. Scored the first try of the game. Can he repeat it? Well, it looks like he was interfered with there. Referee's going to play the touch, I think. It looked to me that he took a late knock. Let's have a look.
Kutita. Hy word gejaag deur Darth Wright. Wright wat duik vir hom, kan hom nie in die hande kry nie. Gewis daar gepla. Terug by die spel. Maar een ding wat my opmerk, John Robbie, is dat ons balbeheer, ek praat nou van die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal, is nie baie goed nie.
Three minutes to go. 14-8, the world side ahead. That's Julian Gardner taking a knock. Man who played his early rugby in Australia, won test caps, and is now a naturalised Italian, plays for Italy. Garth Wright has taken the knock, though. Looks like he's damaged a hand. Wouldn't that be sad if Garth Wright has to go off? He doesn't want to go off.
Kom ons kyk weer na die loopie van Kutita. Dani Gerber wat hom jaag en ook Gerbrand Krobler.
Garth Wright is staying on. 2 minutes to go in this first half. Offside by the world side. And I wonder will Northerns move it. And you can see Naas is thinking about something. A huge kick from Gerbrand Krobler. And how many times over the years have we seen that little scene repeated? Nas thinking the kick, calling up his fullback to use that booming left foot.
Een minuut wat oorbly in die eerste helfte. Gaan ons nog 'n mooi beweging sien van die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal. Olie wat so 'n bietjie sukkel met sy ingooie.
Gardner. Kekanato tidying. Wetton again, orchestrating from the back. The other way. All the time hoping to suck in Northern Transvaal players so they can ultimately move it. Jones trying to dig it out. And of course, that's what happens if the referee doesn't step in and take hold of the situation. The boots come in next.
Waar Adrie Geldenhuys is, nou ja, daar's dinge altyd baie warm.
Just wait. Settle down.
Adrie Geldenhuys wat daar gaan sit. Die slotpaal van die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal, Adrie Geldenhuys. Hendrikus Hatang, twee omstrede spelers. Daar sien ons Hendrikus Hatang voor hom Frans Erasmus. Adrie Geldenhuys, verlede jaar in Lyon, die eerste toets, daar vir Benazi van Frankryk, met 'n linkerhaak plat geslaan. Daarmee sy hand gebreek het.
Okay, Gary, come on, let's
It was
go.
a return for Adrie Geldenhuys, although he did play for the Transvaal Roy Bucker, made his name with that northern side way back in 1987. Problem, can't hold it. And there's the half-time whistle. 14 points to 8, the world side ahead. And we'll be back with what should be a very exciting second half at Loftus in just a couple of minutes. The number to dial, 089 11 00 808. Lines are open for half an hour and calls charged at the normal rates.
John Plumtree wat ons daar sien. Die groot vraag is net of die wêreld 15-tal se fiksheid dit gaan hou. Dit gaan die sleutel tot oorwinning wees.
John Jeffrey, and there's a face that's been in 1,000 rucks, I can tell you. Farmer from the border regions of Scotland. One of the most honest rugby players around. Lee Schmidt tidying. Nothing much really that Garthright can do.
Ball didn't go 5 yards.
Ball not 5 meters though. And a scrum to the world side. Hastings hovering in midfield. It's that man Gibbs again. Inside to Matthews. Jones sniping the short side. Lovely run from him. Billy Schmidt looking to counter-attack. Disappointing from Meyering. It's a good kick. Rather disappointing though in a game like this. He did have men with him.
Die verskil tussen die twee agterlyne is dat die wêreld 15-tal reguit hardloop. Daarteenoor die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal skuins.
And you can see the players, especially the visitors, walking to the lineouts now. It's very, very hot here, and they're not used to the altitude. Andrew Lamerton seems to have recovered from that knock. John Plumtree, support from Cluter, and Adrie Geldenhuys. Frans Erasmus, will he have a run? Here he goes, pushing men out of the way.
Altyd 'n moeilike man om neer te trek, Frans Erasmus. Dis hoekom hy so kort is. Hou vir Frans Erasmus dop. Kyk hoe stamp hy een van sy eie spelers sommer uit die pad uit, Uli Schmidt.
Oh, it isn't that a lovely shot that typifies the player Frans Erasmus. Jones to Hastings, and Hastings quite happy to kick for touch. What a wonderful career Gavin Hastings has had. 46 games for Scotland, 6 for the Lions, and of course captain in that New Zealand series. So pretty even in the lineouts, but indicates how scrappy the lineouts have been. Disappointing aspect of the game. This one's clean though, Matthews wins it, and the world side drive.
On the sides. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
The Northern's players joining from a position other than behind the last foot. Well, I thought for a minute Chalmers was going to have a kick. Of course, he has kicked for Scotland.
Ja, John het so gepraat van Gavin Hastings. Hy's 'n man wat spog met 477 toetspunte. 52 toetse gespeel vir die Britse Leeu's in Skotland. En hy was die kaptein van die Britse Leeu's na Nieu-Seeland vanjaar. Gaan hy dit 4 uit 7 maak? En as hy met hierdie skop slag, 3 waardevolle punte vir die wêreld 15-tal.
Long kick, including the angle. It's over 50 meters. And there's a lovely shot of the angle facing Gavin Hastings. Oh, he struck it well. And that's a magnificent kick from Gavin Hastings. That really is a wonderful kick. And you can see him turning to his teammates almost to say, look, we can win this one. That'd be worth bringing home to Scotland, wouldn't it? Oh, lovely slow-mo. Perfect balance. Uli Schmidt. And the ball stayed in. Well, the last time Uli Schmidt played soccer, of course, he won the Currie Cup with Transvaal last week.
Speler wat net die vermoë het om op die regte tyd op die regte plek te wees. En al speel Uli Schmidt nou vir Transvaal, sal hy nog altyd 'n held bly hier op Loftus Versveld. Craig Chalmers.
Chalmers, I think, is going to give the angle. No, in fact, he's launching at Gary Owen. But that's a brave tactic, so deep in defence. It's paid off, though. Matthews has it. Lamerton staying on his feet to dig that out. Nice little show of the ball from Jones. Support from the Shark. Lamerton again. Mullen can't hold it. That's gone forward. So nice bit of enterprise from the world side.
Nog 'n puntjie wat ons wil uitdeel is vir die skeieregter meneer Steve Strydom, wat lanklaas eerste rangse wedstryd hanteer het, maar vandag glad nie sleg doen nie. Goeie verdediging deur Elgard Miller, dit was nog altyd een van sy sterkpunte. Ongelukkig die man voor die bal.
But to right. Nice ball there, Brad Krobler. Kicked through by Garthright. Hastings, under a lot of pressure, makes the clearance. And the game hasn't really caught alight. We saw that wonderful try early on from Marcello Cutita. It's still 33 minutes to go in the match, and we could still yet see some spectacular running.
5, 4, 6, 5. 4, 6,
And certainly the man throwing the ball, this young Andrew Lamerton, Welsh hooker, he's shown up well. Gary Wetton.
You're all refereeing here. John.
And I think you heard Steve Strydom say that. You're all refereeing.
Lyk of meneer Steve Strydom hierdie wedstryd baie geniet.
Wait till the scrum out here.
Kom ons kyk of ons nou 'n mooi aanval kan sien van die Noord-Transvaal se 15-tal.
He's been robbed by Cutita. That's good play by the small Italian. Gardner, overlap here for the world side. Gibbs an intercept. Oh, the crowd goes mad. They love seeing this man score. JJ Thunderbolt has poached a try out of nothing. And Loftus erupts. Oh, and Dani Gerber looks like he's damaged that knee.
Dit sal werklik jammer wees, Dani Gerber, wat nou kliprugby speel in Italië, maar perfek beoordeel deur J.J. van der Walt. Niemand voor hom nie, en dit beteken 5 punte vir die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal en J.J. van der Walt. Naas Botha kan hy nog 2 punte byvoeg. Lyk goed, dit is goed.
Oh, and that's not a nice sight at all. Dani Gerber looks in some pain, doesn't he? And let's hope that's just a knock and nothing torn. And this is where he really went in hard. Bang, I think that was Philip Matthews he ran into. It was indeed. 17-15, the world side ahead. Oh, an enormous clearance from Naas Botha. That is a wonderful touch kick. And how sad it is that we're not going to see kicks like that again, because there's nobody in the game of rugby who kicks those spiraling touch kicks like that man.
Kom ons kyk weer na hierdie skop van Naas Botha. Buite beeld op 6 Dani Gerber af van die veld af. Daar's nog nie 'n plaasvervanger op die veld nie.
Jy moet hoor die taal wat hy gebruik. Hy het.
And I think Steve Stradham is getting a little bit irritated. It seems there are players talking, and he said, I've had enough of this, I'm going to penalise. And that's good to see, even in a game like this.
Naas Botha aan meneer Steve Strydom, wat al vir heelwat vermaak gesorg het op die rugbyveld. Ons onthou die voorval so 'n paar jaar gelede waar meneer Steve Strydom vir Naas Botha gesê het hy praat nie met kabouters nie. Nou ja, dit was 'n mooi gebaar van Naas Botha om meneer Steve Strydom vandag as skeieregter te nooi. Hierdie wedstryd wat eintlik in 'n feesatmosfeer benader moet word.
Gavin Hastings having a go from fully 60 metres. If he gets this, it will be an enormous kick. He struck it well. And he's got it, my goodness. Well, that is a huge kick from Gavin Hastings.
Nog 'n briljante skop deur die kaptein van die wêreld 15-tal. Baie kompeterend, gesels derentyd met sy manne. Dani Gerber nog steeds van die veld af. Maar kom ons kyk na hierdie skop, 'n bal wat net oor was. Naas Botha, skepskop poging. Van die skare juig.
And he's got it! The crowd erupt. What a moment at Loftus. We asked right at the beginning, wouldn't it be beautiful if this man dropped the goal? Well, that is one out of the top draw. What a moment to treasure.
Wat 'n briljante skeptolpoging van Naas Botha. Verlede Saterdag aand het hy vir ons gesê dat hy baie hard geoefen het vir hierdie wedstryd. En hierdie gesig sal gemis word op Loftus Versveld. Kyk, hy draai om, hy weet hy's oor. Oopsie, dis 'n fout.
Got to move it. JJ van der Vault. And safely finds touch. The sad news is Dani Gerber has left the field. He's been replaced by Pete Roux, young Northern Transvaal winger. And he's wearing number 17. 28 minutes to go. The world side ahead, 20 points to 18.
Mid by 6, T-ball. Move on.
Cutting tidies at the front. And a lovely clearance from Garth Wright. Oh, that's a wonderful kick from the base of that line out.
Maar John die skare het geremoer toe Naas Botha geslag met daardie skeptol. En 'n mens sal eintlik uitsien as hy 'n 3 moet druk. En dan wonder 'n mens hoe die skare hier op Loftus Versveld sal reageer of reageer. J.J. van der Walt.
Oh, this is better play from Northerns. Meyering can't hold it. This is where he's very dangerous now. Broken play situations. Ball hasn't gone forward. Men over, another drop from Botha. This time, just misses. Oh, that must have shaved by a whisker.
Maar kyk na die erns waarmee hy hierdie wedstryd benader. En daardie bal was byna oor. Kyk hoe som hy sy opsies op. Perfekte deurswaai en 'n les vir elke skoolseun.
World side moving at Chalmers. Gerrit Mans. This game is becoming more and more frantic by the minute.
Hy is afkomstig daar van Namibië. Namibië wat die span die wêreld 15-tal borg. En die mense sal graag wil sien dat Gerrit Mans meer kansse moet kry. Denker aan beeld.
But that really was a wonderful bit of support play by the Northern side. Lovely handling by Drickus Hatting. Selden ace.
You can't dive on top of him either. So just first defense. Janja.
What a lovely day for number 6, Rudolph Fourie on that Northern side. Scored a try, playing in the company of these greats. Back row move, Gardner takes the knock, posts the ball. Fourie is penalised.
Man wat gestraf word insit vir die onnodige fout wat begaan is. En soos Gavin Hastings vanmiddag skop, 3 punte besliste moontlikheid. Gavin Hastings. Wêreld 15-tal wat nog net 1-3 kon druk. Skop, maar 'n skop wel binne sy vermoë.
Already kicked 2 enormous goals in this game. And in a way it's disappointing we see so much goal kicking, but in another way it indicates that the players want to win. And what point is there in watching a rugby game where the players don't want to win?
Kyk net na die tyd wat hy bestee voordat hy terugtreë. En dit al die kenmerke van 'n goeie speler.
Floodlights are on at Loftus. Then he struck it well. And again he's kicked the goal. 3 enormous goals from Gavin Hastings. Well, we said he's a bit, and there's just that little smile. As though to say, can you believe it? 3 monsters. 23-18, 23 minutes to go.
First knock on. First knock on. Wait for it, wait.
Hierdie diskap het ons verloor. Miller wat skram teen Dengra. Vinnige bal.
Meyering. Right. Stabs it for the corner. And that's a very good kick. He was under a lot of pressure. Hastings looks for the quick one. Support from Gardner. Mullen away from Kutita. Oh, and he couldn't get the ball to Mullen. Mullen had looped around him. And it was Naas Botha who made the tackle.
Maar weer eens baie intelligente spel van die wêreld 15-tal. Dit gesien daar sy strafskop vinnig geneem. Naas Botha. Deurkom kans is min. En die man van Italië kan nie daar deurkom nie. Altyd gekritiseer dat hy nie kon verdedig nie. En Naas Botha wat hierdie wedstryd wil wen.
Well, I suppose the cynic might say that Naas made his first tackle in his last game. But I think that's unfair and inaccurate. Tom. That's a poor kick from Chalmers. He hasn't had his kicking boots on today. Gathered by Gibbs. Here goes Gerrit Mans, a bit of room. Going for the corner, Mullins inside, slips past the tackle. Support from Jeffries, that's the line. Players piling in.
Net goeie verdediging van Gerbrand Grobler wat verhoed het dat John Jeffrey daar in 3 druk.
5 meters. 5 meters.
Gerbrand Grobler, dat ons daar in beeld gesien het. 'n Man wat die Suid-Afrikaanse skolespan gehaal het terwyl hy matrikulant was aan die Grey College in Bloemfontein. Daarna sy rugbyloopbaan in Noord-Transvaal kom voortsit. Maar Gerrit Mans vanmiddag nog min kanse gekry, maar netjies hou hy die bal binne spel. Nou die aangee na John Jeffrey en daar sien ons die verdediging van Gerbrand Grobler.
And it's Brendan Mullen who's taken a knock. Very prominent in that move, supporting Gerrit Mans. A man who ran a qualifying time for the Olympics, 110 meters hurdles. Wonderful athlete in his day. So brave play from Garth Wright, and the world side's going to put him under a lot of pressure here, or try to do so. Ooh, trouble for Northerns, but the world side are offside. Well spotted, Steve Stratham. Poor kick from Botha. Hastings, that's gone very, very high. Great take by Plumtree. Botha. And a wonderful touch kick again. So Nasport is really turning it on in the last quarter of this game. And I wonder, would it be possible for him to score a try? Wouldn't that be the crowning achievement?
Gewis so John Robbie. En my mede-kommentator John Robbie wat ook die geleentheid gehad het om saam met Naas 'n paar wedstryde te speel. En Naas Botha wat sy debuut vir Noord-Transvaal gemaak het as 19-jarige loskakel in 1977 teen Suidoos-Transvaal en in sy tweede wedstryd teen Transvaal op Ellis Park 3 skepdoele aangeteken. En vandag wie sal dit glo sy laaste wedstryd.
Clear lifting, Wetton penalised. 23-18, I'm sure Naas will go for goal. Look at him. He wants to win this game.
Opgetel in die lyn staande Gary Wetton. Duidelik opgetel, die rede vir die strafskop. Kortjie geneem, Ollie Smith.
Well, surprisingly, Northern's running it.
Loftus Versveld het so deur die jare sy helde opgelewer het. Naas Botha, Hansie Brevis, Ollie Smith, so kon ons hom maar opnoem. Frik de Pre.
Jeffries can't hold it. Interference though. And I wonder will Naas kick this one? Yep, he's having a go. Northern's attempting the peel, you can see. And I think it's Andre Kluter who is interfered with.
Eindelijk 'n maklike skop van Naas Botha. Hy behoort dit 3 uit 4 te maak. Kom ons kyk. En Loftus sal ontplof as na Hendrik Ignatius Botha met hierdie skopslag. Draai om. Hy weet hy's hoor.
And so we are going to have our grandstand finish here. And this game really has turned out better than most people expected. So often these games end up as patter cake touch rugby. Oh, perfect balance. There's a little bit of needle in here. There's pride at stake. Both sides want to win. Sheldon Ace. Fortes missed touch this time. Hastings, chance to run back. Launches the high one. Gerbrand Krobler underneath. Takes it safely, in and out. Lovely running from Gerbrand Krobler. Scrappy play.
Goed hy strafskop wees. Maar ek dink wat Naas Botha nou graag wil doen is om binne die gebied te kom van die wêreld 15-tal en van daar af te domineer. Dis presies wat hy wil doen. Hou hom laag. Goeie skop van Naas Botha. Dis presies wat hulle wou gehad het binne kan die kwartgebied van die wêreld 15-tal. Luister na die skare, hulle moedig die span van Noord-Transvaal aan. Nou is die vraag wat Naas Botha gaan doen as hy hierdie bal gaan kry. Adrie Geldenhuys en Kloete in die lyn staan. Geldenhuys wat oorstuur, Gathright.
Triggers Hatting. When the big man went in high there. Gary Wetton's trying to poach that one. Was he offside? The scrum to the world side. And this crowd really does seem to have grown and grown. And they're making a tremendous noise. Wonderful atmosphere as the floodlights really start to shine through the growing gloom. Jones to feed. Oh, Gathright, I think, penalised.
Must stay behind there.
No, somebody not binding.
Yep.
And Craig Chalmers had a disappointing game today. He's been a link. We haven't seen anything very individualistic from him.
Come on,
23-21, 14 minutes to go. Jones. Philip Matthews takes the knock and posts the ball well. Gardner. Jones again. Lovely little dummy and run from Robert Jones. Can he find support? Intercept from Uli Schmidt. Kicks ahead. Well, as usual, Uli Schmidt popping up everywhere. And that really could have saved the try.
Eintlik Naas Botha wat gelukkig is dat hy nie daar gestraf is nie. Dit was 'n hoogpad daar gewees op Robert Jones. Maar die oomblik toe Uli Schmidt aan die bal gevat het, die skare wat ontplof het. Maar die Noord-Transvaal se 15-tal binne die kwartgebied behou nou van Naas Botha dop. Ek dink dit was 'n hoogpad. I think it was a high tackle, John Robbie. Just look at it.
Oh,
Definitely.
my goodness, yes. Well spotted, John. But I think his players will be quite pleased the referee played advantage. McLeod, the world side have it. Jones, safety, first with his left foot. Who has a look at the linesman? I think the linesman was right. Franz Erasmus. It's been tough enough in the vanguard of the scrum today. We know he's been in a game, and so will his opponent. Hatting can't hold. And Jones again clears well. So good kicking by the scrum half, has gained 40 metres for his side.
Teleurstellend die lynstandspel van die Noord-Transvaal se 15-tal. Adrie Geldenhuys, agterom Loot Miller. Kom ons kyk of Uli Schmidt nou beter daar gooi. En of die Noord-Transvaal se 15-tal die bal kan wen op hulle eie gooi. Uli wat sy kop skud. Verstaan dit nie mooi nie. Weer 'n swakker gaan gooi. John
Jeffrey, the ball's gone forward. Naas Botha delighted to hear the referee's whistle there. With John Jeffrey, the great white shark, running straight at him. Well move, oh, that's poor. That'll be a turnover.
John Plumtree wat daar sy oor van die bal afgehou het. Plumtree wat 'n stille wedstryd beleef vir die Noord-Transvaal se 15-tal. Maar rof daarvoor langs.
Wait for the ball, chaps. Wait for the ball.
Vinnige bal.
Gardner slips. Jones to the box. Botha's underneath it. Steps inside Kutita and drills the ball for the corner. Hasn't found the safety of the dead ball area though. Chalmers slices, Max Hastings slices, Botha again. Looking to counter-attack. John Plumtree, the gap is open. That's inside, needs support. Botha again, switches direction. Helfert Muller. F.A. Mary can't hold his feet. Muller again. It's broken down. The world side, hack ahead, but referee will bring them back. Ball knocked forward. In fact, it's an offside. It's a penalty to Northerns. And a chance for Naas Botha to kick what could be the winning points. Must have a go.
As Naas Botha met hierdie skopslag, nou ja, ek weet nie of hy na die palle gaan skop, hy of Gerbrand Grobler nie, maar as hierdie skopslag gaan die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal vir die eerste keer in die wedstryd voorloop. In die Skara Blokversversveld, daar's niks anders as wat ek graag wil sien, dat hierdie bal tussen die palle moet deurgaan nie. Kom ons kyk of Naas Botha met die skop kan slag. Dis 'n lang skop en dis 'n skop wat nie maklik gaan wees nie.
And you'll notice for the long one, Naas used the kicking tee. For the short ones, he just balances the ball on the turf. 23-21, 10 minutes to go. Strikes it well. And it's there. Can you believe it? The HA Swanepoel Northern Transvaal invitation side, captained by that man, ahead after that wonderful, wonderful place kick.
24-23.
And suddenly we have a different game. Suddenly the world side has to make the running. Frans Erasmus, support from Fourie. Now the man could play it on his feet, but not on the ground, a bit of punching. It's Frans Erasmus.
Gary Wetton wat gestraf word.
Steve Straden trying to cool things down. And once again, Gerbrand Grobler will use his left foot. And it's a beauty. No, it's not. It's drifted out again. Well, it looked like a wonderful kick. Went for too much length. And has been punished. So there's Uli Schmidt, that short fuse of his. Well, we saw that in evidence. A couple of punches thrown. I don't think anything too serious. Let's have a look. Now, Frans Erasmus holding it on the ground, but the player has gone down. Uli in with the knees, I think. Wetton didn't like it. Nothing too serious. Nothing too serious. A little bit of an elbow from Wetton. Craig Chalmers to seek safety. And it's a beauty. Oh, that's a lovely kick from Chalmers. He's had a disappointing game, Craig Chalmers.
8 minute wat oorbly, 24-23 die telling waarmee die Noord-Transvaalse 15-tal voorloop.
Plenty of bumping. That'll be a penalty to the world side. 7 minutes to go, 1 point in it. Now the crowd is booing, but I'm sure Chalmers, Hastings will have a go. Let's have a look here. Yeah, a little bit of a push, I think, from Plumtree.
Heeltemal reg met Steve Strydom. En met hierdie skop kan die wêreld 15-tal nou weer voorloop. En soos Hastings vanmiddag skop, hierdie skop 'n besliste moontlikheid. Dit is besig om donker te word hier in Pretoria. Die spreiligte is aangeskakel. En met 7 minute wat oorbly is die vraag of Naas Botha en sy span kan terugkom. Glo my, as Naas Botha die bal kry, gaan hy probeer met 'n skepdoel. En hoeveel kere in die verlede het Naas Botha nie 'n wedstryd gered met daardie voet van hom nie. Gaan dit vandag weer gebeur gedurende sy afskeidswedstryd.
And over she goes. A wonderful display of place kicking, especially in the second half. And it all changes again. And it's funny how an invitation game suddenly goes across the line. Now the players want to win this game. They're seeking the safety of the touchline. They're making their tackles. A couple of punches are being thrown. And Naas will try and get into penalty or drop range. Gardner. And here we have it. Hastings not thinking of running as we saw in the first half. 6 minutes to go, 26-24, the Namibia World 15 ahead. Air Namibia World 15 ahead.
Wat Noord-Transvaal nou wil hê, is besit vir Naas Botha om te dikteer. Hy wil graag binnekant die kwartgebied kom van die wêreld 15-tel. En hierdie lyn staan 'n baie belangrike lyn staan.
Tikus Hatting, dark right, Botha, the high one. Too far, he didn't catch that properly. Hastings will waste some time here, I'm sure. Another indication that he wants to win this game. The world side not taking any, I don't know, taking their time is what I should be saying. No, this is all play acting by the world side. They're not going to take any chances. Hatting, ball knocked out of his hand. There's no knock on. Botha, Gerbrand Grobler, chips ahead. Okay, Meyering. Dragged down. In goes Fourie, that was brave. Botha, chance of the drop. It's high, and it's left, and it's wide.
Hy het hard probeer en so byna was hy daar. Kom ons hou dop, Cartwright, kyk net as hy vinnige aangee na Naas Botha. En Naas wat hierdie skop beplan het.
This was the moment where the whole of Loftus was holding its breath. And just drifted to the left. 4 minutes to go, 2 points in it. The World 15 ahead, 26-24.
Spanning wat oplaai.
Hatting again, takes it cleanly. Frans Erasmus, back to Botha. He's thinking of a drop again, he has another drop. This time doesn't strike it well. Well, how often has it been said that Naas Botha overdoes this tactic, and yet how many games has he won?
Maar John, hy wil hierdie wedstryd wen, en hy wil hom op sy eie wen. Gary Wetton beseer. Wetton wat sy debuut gemaak het vir die All Blacks teen Suid-Afrika in 1981. Sy derde besoek aan Suid-Afrika, Gary Wetton. Hier kom die skepskop van Naas Botha. 'n Bal met die hoogte. Die lengte was daar, maar net nie die rigting.
Well, that was a poor effort. Not really a ball perhaps he should have moved. It wasn't on the right side of the field for him. But I suppose in your own invitation game, if you can't have a go when you want to, well, when can you?
Hy het by so baie geleenthede 'n wedstryd vir sy span gewen met daardie fenominale skopskoen van hom. Wie sal dit ooit vergeet? Suid-Afrika teen Ierland in 1981, 3 skeptoele. Suid-Afrika by die toets gewen het 12-9. En ek het hom nou die dag gevra, wat was die belangrikste skop van sy rugbyloopbaan? Dis nou Naas Botha. Toe sê hy die derde toets in Port Elizabeth, 80 leeu's. Daardie skop toe hy die 3 van Gerry Germers verdoel het om die toets vir Suid-Afrika te wen.
Jones brings it into touch. In fact, he doesn't. The ball is still in. Northerns must move it from here. Gerbrand Grobler. No. In fact, he's drilled a huge touch. Finder, that's an enormous kick. The ball bounced back to Hastings. Support from Jeffrey, swallowed up by Oli Schmidt. Possession turned over. Petita. Under fierce pressure gets his kick away.
Dis nou belangrik, John Robbie. Noord-Transvaal kan die bal ingooi in die lyn staan. Dis die hoek van waar Naas Botha kan skepskop. En gaan ons nou 'n skepskop sien van Naas Botha wat hierdie wedstryd kan wen vir Noord-Transvaal.
And just listen to the Loftus crowd. They know if Northerns win this ball, Naas is going to have a go. 2 minutes to go, 26-24, the world side ahead. Can Naas Botha do it? They've won it. No. Using the wrong arm, using the outside arm. It's a free kick to the world side. I think just for a moment, the Loftus crowd thought it was a penalty to Northerns. Craig Chalmers lifts the siege.
Een baie belangrike minuut wat oorbly. Die wêreld 15-tal 26, Noord-Transvaal 24. En die laaste minuut van Naas Botha se rugbyloopbaan het aangebreek. The last minute of his rugby career, John Robbie.
Incredible, one feels almost privileged to be watching it. Botha. Match ball to Helfat Muller. Referee says high tackle, I think.
Hy kyk na die pale en hy gaan pale toe skop. John Robbie, wat 'n oomblik. What a moment for Naas Botha.
What an unbelievable moment. Now this is a kick of 60 meters. Time is up on the clock. Let's see. There we are. Well, it's a high tackle. Was it unfair? Was it dangerous? I'm not so sure. Maybe a little bit of stage management coming in. But this could be the last kick of the game. Time is up. A 60-minute kick. Would you bet against him?
What a difficult question to ask me, John Robbie.
Let's just be quiet and watch what could be Naas Botha's last kick in rugby. He struck it, he's got the distance, and it's away to the left. And the final whistle goes. And isn't that ironic? He missed his last kick in rugby, 26-24. It's been an exciting game, a fitting climax to a wonderful career.
Mens het eintlik trane in jou oë. En hoe pragtig sou dit nie wees as hy met daardie skop sou kon slag nie. Maar daar sê hy en hoeveel genotvolle oomblikke het hy nie vir die skare op Loftus voorspel te Pretoria gegee nie. Naas Botha, die held van Loftus Versveld.
Tremendous scenes. What? It wasn't a huge crowd, but my goodness, they made a lot of noise. Hasn't always been the most loved man in this country, but in this stadium he always has been. He's won more games than anyone else, more Currie Cups than anyone else.
Een ding is seker, die Suid-Afrikaanse rugby publiek sal Naas Botha mis. Hulle sal hom onthou.
And the world team certainly justified their selections. They played well. And let's cross to Arnold Geerts.
Commentators, Naas hier by ons. Jou gevoel soos jy die laaste keer Loftus Versveld verlaat, Naas?
Arnold, ek moet sê, dis jammer ons het verloor, jy weet, maar ek dink in die begin het ons net te veel foute gemaak. Ons kon net nie die bal beheer nie. Ons kon net nie die bal hou nie. En ek dink die paar geleenthede wat ons vir hulle gegee het om in aan te teen het hulle gedoen. Ek dink hulle het baie sleg gespeel nie. Ek dink die tweede helfte het ons beter gespeel en Eers eintlik hartseer om te dink jy met 'n skop van 55 meter oorskop om te wen, jy weet. Maar aan die ander kant as hy oor gewees het dan sou wat jy.
Was jy vanoggend emosioneel, kon jy dit voel daar buite, were you emotional now?
Nee, regtig nie, Arnold. Ek probeer nou nie taai wees nie, maar jy weet ek het baie uitgesien hierna. Dis baie harde werk hier en ek moet sê ek het elke oomblik geniet.
Laastens, Naas, vat die mikrofoon hier by my en gee vir die mense daar buite in Suid-Afrika 'n laaste boodskap van Naas Botha.
Eerstens wil ek net sê baie dankie in elk geval vir al die ondersteuning deur die jare. Ek het dit werklik geniet en selfs vir die ouens wat BV so soms kwaad was, weet dis nie vir ons 'n probleem nie. Ons hou in elk geval almal van julle en ons hoop Suid-Afrika het 'n goeie toekoms.
And here was maybe the moment of the game, the one we'd all been waiting for.
Kyk hoe draai hy om. Kenmerkend van hom deur die jare gewees. Naas is baas. Beter kan ons dit nie stel nie.
Well, thanks for joining us. We hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a marvellous rugby season, and we look forward to joining you again next season on Mnet Supersport. Goodbye from an emotional Loftus Versfeld.
This exciting encounter was brought to you by Air Namibia and HA Swanepoel.